Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B. I just want to alert everyone that has a KS series of TV that subscribes to my channel or views the channel. I received an email just the other day relating to a petition that's going to be presented to Samsung relating to the HDR10 Plus being removed and no longer considered for the 2016 Samsung TVs. If you recall, Samsung initially promised that this would be part of an update for the KS series of TVs for 2016. Since then we've discovered that that's changed, that Samsung have now sort of moved that on another year, so it's now 2017 and 2018 models that are getting the HDR10 Plus, leaving the 2016 models, the ones that we have, I have, KS7000, 8000, 9000 and so on, that are not going to get the HDR10 Plus update. So this petition, I know it says it's Germany and so on, but it's a global petition that you can present, that you can sign and become part of and add your voice to, that will be presented to Samsung, and hopefully they will listen to us. Hopefully they will listen to us, because I believe it's something that they can do, and it's just the marketing department within Samsung that have decided to remove it from our TV range being updated. And I think that's incredibly poor, considering that they initially promised that it would actually be part and included within. So I'm going to include the link below in the description of this video. Click on it, sign it, and let's get things changed. Thanks again guys, take care.